To start the Zoom web conferencing application, click on this icon, which could be sitting on your start menu as well, or you can pin it and put it on a taskbar. When you start the application, the first thing to do is select settings in the top right, and first select the video settings. So when participants join your meetings, if you would like the video or the webcam to be turned off, select this checkbox. Then the same thing for audio. If you would like the participants' mic to be muted when they join the conference, select this option. You've got other options there. You can check also the sound, test speaker. You can use sound that is okay. You can test microphone. Now the recording started. Say something in 5 or few seconds. Microphone. Now the recording started. The recording will start playing automatically. If you hear yourself, that is okay. This is what your participants will hear. That's the main thing. And one more thing is recording. If you do record your sessions, could be your, let's say, lecture or certain presentation using PowerPoint or anything that's happening on a screen. You can even, without inviting other participants, just record, let's say, a demo of using one application using Zoom, which will be demonstrated in another session. So if you select recording, make sure that the default H drive, which will appear initially, is changed to your local disk D drive on your laptop if you're using work laptop. So what I've done on D drive in my computer, I made a new, let's say, a new folder, and I call it videos. So any video that I record will go there because D drive has got a lot of space. And that's it, really. You've got other options you can check, but the most important things were or are video setup, audio setup, and the recording location where the recordings will be saved. And that's it. To start a meeting, just click on New Meeting and select Join with Computer Audio. Basically, you will be using the built-in mic or the USB connected headset mic. In my case, Jabra. I suggest use Jabra. The USB Jabra is really optimized for using these two, like Link or Skype for Business, Online Room, or if you use Zoom. So if you look in the bottom left corner, you'll see that by default the microphone is muted and the webcam. So if you would like to unmute the mic, click on the icon, and now you can see the green indicating light here. It tells you that the microphone is connected. In the same way, I don't have my camera on, but you click on the camera and the camera is on and the camera is off. So if you would like to, okay, I'll explain other tools. If you would like to invite other people, you can just click on invite, select email. For example, you would like to email your students and then default email, or you could just copy URL and go to email and just write a new email using Outlook. And I would assume you would have student mail lists sorted out in Outlook. So you would just paste the link. So this is a direct link the students will click on and will connect to your Zoom web conferencing or tutorial session. And here, of course, you would need to first set up those student mail lists. And that's all. So this is this is the link you can send to all the participants. That's it. You can send this to all the participants. They click on the link and they will join you. Okay, so I will close that, go back to your Zoom session, which is here. I will explain the other tools. So the second one is Manage Participants. If you click on Manage Participants, you will see the list of participants here, and you will have options to mute them if their microphone is, for whatever reason, on, and you cannot have your session because you hear their sound or the background noise from their room. And you've got a few more options here. You can change their name and so on. Sharing screen is the most important tool here. So for example, you would like to share your PowerPoint. So you would first open the PowerPoint that you want to be using in your session. Again, minimize, and then you would go share screen. And here you will see the list of possible applications you can share. You select, this is my PowerPoint, and share. This moment you will see the full screen shows the content which is shared, but you still have the control buttons like the tool buttons or the toolbar, whatever you want to call this, right here. So it's the microphone, the camera, manage participants, new share, pause share, and even more. See if you want to chat with the students, and more options like breakout rooms and so on. You can record this computer, so whatever you are sharing will be recorded. And have a look at the other options. Now I'll give you a demo of how to record this computer. So now the recording is in progress, and let's see what that looks like. So you would just open your presentation and then go through the slides. So these are my slides about how to connect to online rooms web conferencing platform and so on. When it's finished, you can stop sharing and here. Now, is the recording still going on? Pay attention to this little icon here. This tells me the recording is still going on. So how do we stop recording? Can you see top left? Just click on stop. And you'll get this message that this recording is now being converted to MP4 video format, which is well compressed, but it keeps good quality. When the meeting ends, the conversion will start. So that's it. Chat, if you wish to chat to your students, it's right here. And again, recording button is here if you wish to keep recording. And the shortcut keys are Alt-R for record. Reactions, or you can call it status. So you can select different type of reactions here. So if, for example, on the right hand side, if the chat space is open, if you click on more, you can indicate, like if you agree on something and disagree, applause, and you, for example, stepped away, or you need a break, or if you stepped away, so you're not in a session. Just experiment, look at these different options, but the most important thing is that we know that how to connect the audio, video is working if you wish, and sharing. So if you wish to share the whole screen, to keep it simple, you can select. In my case, I've got my laptop and connected monitor. So actually there are two monitors, and I can select which one I want to share. So if you select screen 2, you will see the blue-green outline around that screen. It will show you which monitor you will be sharing with your participants. So if I select screen 2 and share, now anything that you drag on that monitor will be visible to participants. And on your primary screen, on your desktop, you can manage individual applications, and every now and then just drag them across to the other screen. So if you like to stop sharing, you can go stop sharing. You return to the main, let's say homepage for this Zoom session, and that's it.